Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Toyota Land Cruiser. First, take a moment to understand its powerful capabilities, designed for both city streets and rugged trails. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and various driving modes. Adjust your seat and mirrors for optimal visibility, ensuring a comfortable and safe driving posture. This initial setup is crucial for mastering your vehicle. When driving on paved roads, remember the Land Cruiser's substantial size and weight. Always maintain a generous following distance, allowing ample time for braking. Utilize the multi-terrain monitor to enhance your situational awareness, especially in tight spots. Practice smooth acceleration and gentle braking to ensure a comfortable ride for all passengers, making every journey enjoyable. For off-road adventures, the Land Cruiser truly shines. Engage four-wheel drive and select low range when tackling challenging terrain like steep inclines or deep mud. Utilize the multi-terrain select system to optimize traction for various surfaces, such as sand or rocks. For extremely difficult obstacles, activate crawl control, which automatically manages throttle and brakes at very low speeds. The Land Cruiser offers advanced features for enhanced performance and safety. Leverage the kinetic dynamic suspension system for improved wheel articulation over uneven ground. Understand how to use the differential locks to maximize traction when one wheel loses grip. Before any journey, especially off-road, always perform essential safety checks, including tire pressure and fluid levels, for a secure trip.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.